Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify the payment failed. Please try again. So guys, when you have purchased any subscriptions on your Spotify and facing this type of issue that your payment is failed, so guys, simply you can fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to check your payment method detail. So guys, if you have entered any debit or credit card here, then guys you need to change your debit or credit card, or you need to correct your mistake that you have entered here. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to contact with financial institute, means your bank. Contact with your bank and tell them he need to own your online transaction on your debit or credit card. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to go back. And guys, after this you need to open your settings. And guys, you need to check your internet connection. So guys, if not connected, then guys you need to connect it. And guys, if you have connected with weak internet connection, then guys you need to connect with strong internet connection. And guys, after doing this you need to go back. So guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys maybe there is a bug on your app. So guys, simply you need to click and hold on your app, click on app info. And guys, you need to click on storage and cache. And guys, you need to clear cache on your app. And guys, after doing this your problem will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.